Hi everybody, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this wig is called Retro Hot by Forever Young, and the color on this is, hold on, let me see, it's HL4/350, and what that indicates is that this is a dark brown base that has these brilliant sort of, I'm trying to think of the best way to describe the kind of copper this is. It's definitely copper, but it's like a really saturated, super brilliant, dark copper. So, very, very pretty. Not a natural looking shade at all. It definitely looks like it's had lots and lots of highlights put in. I think that this wig makes me look like my mom circa 1982. I'm just throwing that out there. I don't think it's an unattractive wig, and I actually think that it would look like really freaking awesome on the right kind of person. You know, I think that that person would probably either have to be 15 to 20 years older than me or 10 years younger than me. I just don't think on me it's necessarily doing anything for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and talk about it anyway, because like I said, on the right person, this wig is gonna look really fun. It has these wings that come off the side. They're very feathered, and they definitely want to tilt upward. So that's something you get a hint of in the manufacturer picture, but it's for real. It is definitely for real. This wig does not have any permatease. I almost think it could use some though, because if it had a little bit of lift in here, I think this wig would look substantially edgier and substantially cooler. But it doesn't. It does, however, have a skin top, which I mentioned in my other videos about skin tops, that they're kind of hot. But you know, they're not terrible. It's just that one spot that's kind of hot, and this wig is not terribly heavy. It's 13 ounces apparently, which is pretty darn substantial for a synthetic wig. It is, on the sides and back, 16.5 inches. So this is a very, very long wig with a slight curl, a very, very loose kind of ringlet curl, a big ringlet. So this is what it looks like when all the hair is pushed back. And when I push the hair forward. And then here's what the back looks like. Hopefully we can get it all in there. I like the color quite a bit. It's very, very pretty. Reminds me actually a little bit of the chocolate cherry color from Envy, and it also reminds me a little bit of Cherry Cola from Revlon, except the base shade of the Cherry Cola is a slightly more auburn color than your standard dark brown, which is what the base on this color is. I think this wig is okay. I think for the price, it's a lot of style for 40 bucks, which is very nice. I'm not going to take the cap off on this one. Watch some other of my Forever Young videos and you'll be able to see what the cap construction on this one looks like. They all have the same standard rose lace top with the skin disc right here. And with the standard, the main Forever Young line, the disc on the skin top is going to be of a Caucasian color. It's going to be rather pale, as you can see here. But Forever Young does have a side line called Flaunt, of which the really popular wig Beauty Addiction is a part, and that tends to have more of an ebony skin part. But I mean, it doesn't matter what your skin color, you can wear either style, you can wear any wig really. Just know these little details, so that way, for instance, if you get this and you have darker skin, you can fill that in with makeup or something like that, so that way people can't tell. I think that this wig is nice. I don't think that it's nearly as nice as some of the pricier wigs that I carry, but that's to be expected. I think for the price, it's a nice style. I do think that it needs a little bit more hair down here, And this is the kind of style that's super structural and could really benefit from some permatease. And I'm kind of sad that it doesn't have it actually, because it had just a little bit of a lift and a little bit more hair down here. I think this would be a really sexy style. But as is, I feel like it's a bit too natural, and being a child of the 80s, it's giving me flashbacks. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off. So this has been my review of Retro Hot, because they ain't lying. And the color on this has been HL4/350, which is a dark brown that has these really bold, dark copper highlights. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.